He's a good lad. He's been driving that bike since he was 17, and the guy's 43 years old now. Right, so we got a plan. We have to head to the mall. We got to convert some dollars into pesos. Once we get the pesos, I have to definitely buy a bottle of wine before I go back to Thailand, because good old Thailand has a 200% duty on wine, but you're allowed one duty-free bottle to bring into the country. Hanging by a prayer there. Where the hell is the shopping mall? Sorry, brother.
Philippines.
All good, man. Yeah, this definitely looks like the stop. Wow, look at this, guys. What a treat. This looks like the center of jeepneys. Holy Toledo. Hey, man. Look at this. This is the center. Wow, this is where they hide them. All different types of colors. This guy's backing in here. He's coming in. See the number on the back there? It's 20B, and he's going down to Mandaue. Very cool trucks. All different shapes and sizes. Some of them from the Second World War, some beat up, some fits 20, some fits 15, who knows. But I took one of those the other day. It was very cool. Well, look at that. That's where they're hiding out. Hey, he's got a fancy one. Look at this guy. Credit Suisse, Petronas, Red Bull, Bridgestone, Pamela and Leica. Wow. Looks like they take a lot of pride in their buses. Now I come down to the entrance and I see more bloody jeepneys. Nothing like hiding them all here in the back. So I thought I would never be in this place, but I am. I don't normally hit the shopping malls in these big towns, even though Philippines got 3 of the top 10 malls in the world.
Open the bar for a while. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for keeping them all safe.
You're welcome.
And there is a lineup for an ATM. Wow. Can never really understand that in some of these countries. You think there'd be no lineups for an ATM, and there's a ton of lineups. Not like I'm going to film too much of this mall, but I'll just give you guys an idea what's going on. I don't know what the guy's talking about the 4th floor, but I don't see 4 floors in this whole mall. And I actually thought this would be easy. No. Always wear your helmet in the Philippines. This guy's helping me adjust my helmet here. Trying to save time here. So this could be 2 destinations if you want. I gotta go buy some wine, and then I gotta go back to the hotel. There's my hotel.
Yes. This is the hotel.
And the wine is there. All right, let's go, brother. What's your name?
Richard.
Richard, how are you, Richard? How long you been driving a bike for?
I'm start biking 17 years old.
Jeez, how old are you now?
43.
How old?
43.
23?
Yes.
You're 23.
43.
43?
Yes.
Holy Toledo. Wow. Okay, so yeah, you've been driving for a while, and you don't know where this place is?
Yes.
Come on.
Yeah.
I think you got to turn right here, right?
Here, right here.
Well, there it is there.
Okay.
So yeah, turn right here.
Okay.
I'll show you. Turn right.
Okay.
No, so go here and around.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe down there. Fuck, I don't know. Hang on a sec. We're lost here. No, I think we gotta go back that way.
Okay.
Let's go here. Let's cut here.
Okay,
This isn't working out. I don't know what's going on. This map is all screwed up. We gotta go down that road.
Right? Or
I don't know what the hell's going on. Yeah, it looks like it. Ah, he's a good lad. He's been driving that bike since he was 17, and the guy's 43 years old now. D&B Wines. All right, let's see what we find here. And then we're gonna go get some lechon, some pork. It's on the menu. Ah, always people honking here. Just drive me up though. All right, here we go. Found it. Is it open?
yes, sir.
All right, I'm coming in, man. I'm buying some wine. Holy Toledo, look at this place. Very fancy. Hi, how are you? I need to buy 1 or 2 bottles of wine, so what have you got?
So far, we have different kinds of selections, sir.
Okay,
This one is direct from France.
thank you very much.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
All right, have a nice day, bye. Hi. Thank you, thank you. There you are, boss. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give you that. I'm gonna give you that. Now,
Okay.
now we're going to the get lechon and the hotel,
Oh.
and I'll give you a little bit more. Don't worry. You cool? Are you cool? All right, man. We got to rock, huh? We're on a schedule. So look, man. I saw that lechon place across the street. So let's rock and roll. Richard. Okay. All right, Richard. Let me stop here to put a new memory stick in the camera because we're gonna go out and try this famous pork. So bear with me, guys. And the next stop is the lechon. I've been hearing about this for about 6 days now. Everybody tells me we should try it, so apparently it's the best pork in the world. So here we go. All right, man, let's roll, baby. Well, they seem to be a little bit more cautious here. Bangkok traffic's a little bit more polite. Here they're a bit more aggressive. There we go. There we go, right there. Helen's native lechon. All right. Here we go. You want some?
Yeah.
You want to try some? Huh? What do we got here? Where's Helen? It's Helen. It's Helen. Richard's got it sorted out. He's a good mate. Oh, hang on. What do we got here? Is that another location there?
Yeah.
We're looking for the owner now. Anyone know where Helen is? Hello. Boss? Hello, boss. I'm gonna buy some lechon over there. Can I film for a second? Can I take a shot?
Yeah.
2 seconds, guys. Wow, what do we got here? Look at this.
Yeah.
This is cool, huh? Wow, very cool. Wow, that's how they put them together with all the spice. Jeez, look at that. Wow, okay, let's go eat some. Let's try some of that. Hi there.
Hey.
Somebody working at the shop there?
Yeah.
All right. Me and my buddy Richard, we like some pork. I think we got the whole family coming now. Found everybody, Rich. Do they need some pork too?
What?
Do they want pork?
No. My blood high.
You got high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would too after. So for me, just a little bit to try and taste, okay?
Testing na din siya. Try lang. Testing nga. Kanang crispy.
Not so much fat, but you know. Okay, can you put it on you got a little plate there, boss?
Sure.
You want some? You want some?
No more plate.
Okay, I want to buy some for these two, okay? Is that okay, boss?
Sure.
You can put mine in the bag. Okay, thank you. That's good. And for the lady here, you want one of those too? Let me get her pork for her if she wants some. Hey, you want some pork? No? Yeah, I'm getting the ladies. Here we go. No, we're good. All this. I'm taking an airplane, man. I got my sample of lechon pork, and I'm happy. Thank you, ladies. Have a nice day. No problem. Rich, why aren't you having any pork, man? He's been driving this bike since 17 years old in traffic, and he's saying the pork gives him high blood pressure. He's saying the traffic gives him high blood pressure. Thank you very much, boss. Very kind of you. All right.
You can take it.
Yeah. Richard's a good guy. You're a good guy. You're taking care of me, man. Making sure that I don't get hurt, huh? That's for you, okay? Keep that. That's for driving me around, okay?
Okay. Where is the next?
Quest Hotel.
Okay.
You know where Quest Hotel is?
I know already.
Hey, guys, see you later, huh? All right, thank you. So we're going to go try this lechon now at the hotel. I'm going to try it over a drink, and apparently it's supposed to be really good stuff. So Richard's doing the ballet now. He's doing what I call the Bangkok ballet, and that's if you got a scooter, you got to weave in and out of traffic. It's more of an art than a skill. I mean, most of these guys would be right up at the front of the pack right away. But you do feel the temperature here. It is cooking out here. Richard is experimenting again with the routes, so this could take longer. What seemed to be a straight road on the way back has turned into a maze. Wow, there's the karaoke bar I was supposed to sing at. Just drove by it. Unlike Bangkok, they would have probably let you through. There's not much road rage in Bangkok, but here there's not much, when you're in the shit, they don't let you get out of the shit. And we're in the shit. All right, you're a good man. You're a good man, Rich.
Okay.
What are you doing the rest of the day? You gonna party or what?
No, it's good.
Huh? Good to see you. Thanks for driving me around, man. Appreciate it. All right, cheers. He's a good guy. All right, so we're gonna go try our lechon. And I've come inside to get some Canada Dry. I love this stuff, love ginger ale. Canada Dry, and look what we got here. We got the lechon pork. So we're gonna try it. I didn't want to kind of try it out in the middle of the traffic. So let's see what this stuff's all about. Let's see if. Wow. This stuff is pretty damn good. Yeah, no wonder the guy asked me when he was chopping it up. He was asking me how many kilograms I wanted of it. But we bought some for the lady beside me, and I also took some for myself. And we had in total about 4 or 5 bags. This here is one serving, and so in total it was about 70 pesos, so about $1.40.